everybody, welcome back to Faux Boujie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like and subscribe. Today I wanted to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. If you all haven't already seen my summer glowy skincare or my morning skincare routine, make sure you all check the description box below for those videos. So right now I'm just brushing my teeth. I like to brush my teeth before I start my skincare because, you know, like once I get everything gone and then I brush my teeth, like the water that gets on my face from brushing just rinses everything away. So if you don't, I would advise that you brush your teeth first. It just makes everything a lot easier and less complicated. So after I brush, floss, do my mouthwash. See, look at that clean mouth. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start with my Cetaphil, I always say Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I really love this product. They advertise it for all skin types, and I can only say that it works for my skin type. I have really dry, very sensitive skin, and it does an amazing job on my face. So first I just get my face wet just to sort of prep for it. You don't want to put this on a dry face. And then I just start off with not a small amount, but just enough, and just spread that around. And it feels really good. It's not like a strong smell, and it doesn't burn either. And then I have this little face cleanser like brush thing. They have these at like Walmart, Amazon. I think I've even seen them at like Family Dollar and stuff. So you can get these from anywhere. And basically what you're doing, you're just using the brush to like really get deep down in there and clean your face. I feel like a normal face wash, like just using like a washcloth, doesn't really get like deep down into your pores. But when you do use a brush like this, like you can actually feel like how clean it's getting your skin, and it's kind of like massaging the products in, like really getting deep down in there, getting all that stuff out. And after I finish, I like to clean it by just gripping some water in the palm of my hand and just leaving the brush on. Next, I am going to use my lip scrub. Gotta scrub those lips. I hate when I'm like putting on chapstick or lipstick, lip gloss, anything, and you just have that like rough skin on your lips. Like, that's so unattractive. So definitely make sure you have a lip scrub incorporated into your skincare routine. If you don't want to buy a lip scrub, you can definitely make your own. The one that I'm using I got from Amazon, but all it really is sugar and coconut oil and a couple other oils mixed in together. And so you can definitely make it on your own. And with this product, all I'm doing is just pounding my lips out and rubbing back and forth in a circular motion, making sure that I not only get the outside of my lips, but the little inner part as well. And this, y'all know I love to use a cheap, hard, very rough washcloth on my face. It's great for exfoliating. And so I'm just going to just wipe everything away. I'm not a splasher. I don't like to just cup water and just splash it on my face. I hate that. I hate getting water in my eyes. So I'm just going to use my cloth and just wipe off my lip scrub and my foaming cleanser. And I do just have like a couple little spots on my face that look like they want to like turn into pimples, but that's just, like I said, from the elements that were outside today. I took my daughter to the beach, and so right now I'm just letting my face air dry. I don't like to like pat it dry or anything. I don't want to put anything on it once I have cleansed it. And so I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Overnight Resurfacing Serum with black soap. And y'all, this stuff is bomb. I just use a couple drops, and then if I need more, I go in with a little bit more. But when I tell y'all, like how I just showed y'all, I have those couple little blemishes. When I wake up in the morning, they are going to be either gone or almost gone. Like, this stuff is like magic or something. Like, I don't know what it does, but whatever it's doing it really good. So after I massage that into my face, I go in with my Shea Moisture Skin Rescue Toner, and this has hemp in it. And I love, love, love this. And I'm telling y'all, once you mist it on your face in combination with the serum, it feels so good. Like no facial in the world can compare to how that feels. Like, oh my gosh, like, do y'all see my face? If you all haven't already, make sure you do like and subscribe. Right now I'm just going through and just making sure that I fully massage all of it into my skin, hit every pore, especially those problem areas that I showed you all before. Having a skincare routine is so important. Like, I know I have one for the morning and for night, but even if you just have one like at night skincare routine, just doing that will just really boost the health of your skin. Like, it is so important, you all. Even if you're someone like myself who doesn't, necessarily have problem skin or skin that breaks out easily, or someone who's never really had to worry about acne or stuff like that, it's still really important, especially as you get older, just to take care of your skin. And it's best to start the habit while you're younger. But as you can see, I'm fully done. My face, even though I have a couple blemishes, still looks very healthy, very good. I drink my water, lips popping from my lip scrub. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. The items I used will be listed in the description box below. If you haven't already, make sure you do like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and as always, stay bougie.